warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I want to talk about the sky at night. If you step out of the house at night and guess out what do we see? Well, on a clear night we see a full sky full of stars, but bright one. Then one some close to other some alone, they are on there, waiting for us to take a look. These stars have long been observed by our one star. They are given name like Sirius and Point Star. Cluster of stars or constellation are given name like Orion, Pleiades, Virgo, and other exotic names. Planet like Saturn, Venus, and Mars can all be observed if you bother to look for them. Throughout main history, the stars have played an influential part in this life. Many believe that the stars determine our life. That astrologer is about to tell us of our fate and destiny. Recently, the science of astronomy appears to study the heaven more systematically. Astrology or astronomy both are concerned with the stars. So, on a night when you're not too busy, go outside and have a peek at the vast universe outside. Entrance is free. All you have to do is to bring yourself. Thank you.
Okay, any questions?
What are you speaking about? Yeah.
About the sky at night.
The sky at night. Any more questions?
What you can do.